Welcome to my channel Mathematics World. This is part 16 of Matrices and Determinants. Let's solve some more short answer type questions. Let's start the video. So in our last video we have already discussed how to find the solution of system of linear equations using the inverse of a matrix, and we have discussed the consistency, how to check the consistency for a given system of equation which is homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Now we will do some questions to understand that concept. Basically we will apply those concepts in the questions. So the first question is, solve the following system of equations: x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 2x plus 5y is equal to 9, and we have to solve it using matrix method. So let us call this system of equation, given system of equation, as equation number 1. So clearly as we can write, so you can write equation 1, system of equation 1 can be written in the form ax is equal to b, where this A is your coefficient matrix, that is your 1, 2, 2, 5. X का coefficient 1, Y का coefficient 2, second equation में X का coefficient 2 and Y का coefficient 5. Then column matrix of constant, that is your X, Y, and the column matrix, this is the column matrix of unknowns, and this is your column matrix of constant, which is 4, 9. Clear? So we can write this equation, system of equation 1, in the form of ax plus b, where A is this coefficient matrix, x is your column matrix of unknowns, and b is column matrix of constants. So in the previous video we have already discussed the concept. So I have told you that whether you are provided a system of homogeneous equations or a system of non-homogeneous equation, the first step is you have to find out determinant of the coefficient matrix, that is matrix A. So let us find the determinant. It will be 5 minus 4, which is 1. So this is non-zero. Clear? So it is non-zero. इसका मतलब है कि A inverse exist करेगा, and A inverse exist करेगा, reason is that matrix A is non-singular, and system of equation 1 will have a unique solution. Clear? So we have already discussed कि अगर A inverse अगर determinant matrix का non zero आता है तो matrix non singular होगी और उसका inverse exist करेगा और वो system of equation consistent होगा और it will be having unique solution, and that unique solution is given by, unique solution you can write, which is given by x is equal to A inverse into B. So it means we have to find out the inverse of this matrix A. So inverse find out करने के लिए we have to find out the determinant of the matrix A, the adjoint of matrix A. So let us find adjoint. So it will be elements, write down elements of matrix A using minor cofactor wala method. Mij and Cij, elements are 1, 2, 2, 5. Minors calculate किए हमने, 1 के corresponding minor is 5, 2 के corresponding minor is 2, then again 2 के corresponding minor is 2 and 5 के corresponding minor is 1. So हमने signs जो आपको formula बताया था, Cij is equals to -1 raised to the power I plus j, Cij, that is equals to -1 raised to the power I plus j into Mij. So using this formula you will calculate the cofactor corresponding to the elements. So plus minus हो जाएगा, minus and plus. Clear? So this is, now you'll find out adjoint from here. So adjoint will be, let us write, adjoint will be, adjoint of matrix A will be equal to transpose of this matrix, which is equal to 5 minus 2 and minus 2 1. Clear? So this is the adjoint of the matrix. Now we very well know that in order to find out the inverse, this formula you already know, that 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A, ये फॉर्मूला होता है हमारे पास. सो हम इस रिजल्ट को अप्लाई करेंगे और इनवर्स फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. सो A इनवर्स विल बी इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ A, जो आप ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं और उसकी वैल्यू है 1, इनटू adjoint of A, which is 5 minus 2 minus 2 1. So A inverse is equals to this matrix 5 minus 2 minus 2 and 1. Now you know that the unique solution is already, we have written that it is given by A inverse into B. So write down the value of A inverse, that is 5 minus 2 minus 2 1, and the matrix B, which is column matrix of constants, that is we have already written earlier, it is 5 4 9. So multiply कर लीजिए इनको, and after multiplying you get 5 into 4 minus 2 into 9, and second row will be minus 2 into 4 plus 1 into 9. So after solving this we get 2 comma 1. Clear? 5 4s are 20 minus 9 2s are 18. 20 minus 18 is 2 and minus 8 plus 9 is 1. So this is the unique solution, or basically you can say the value of x. So in the end you can write hence the required solution is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. क्योंकि जो कॉलम मैट्रिक्स थी अननोन्स की, उसमें that was x is equals to this x comma y. So हमने इसके साथ कंपेयर किया, x is your first रो में जो एलिमेंट है that is 2 and y is equals to 1. Clear? So I hope ये क्वेश्चन आपको क्लियर होगा. Let us revise it again. कि हमने क्या करना है. Firstly you have to check that whether the given equation, that is a system of homogeneous equation or non-homogeneous one. So here after comparing, we are writing equation 1 in the form of ax plus b. We get A coefficient matrix, the 1 2 2 5, column matrix of unknown is your x y, and b is 4 comma 9. This is your column matrix of constants, and this b is non-zero. Not all elements are 0. Okay. So after that I have told you whether the system of equation is consistent or homogeneous or non-homogeneous. Firstly you have to find out determinant of this coefficient matrix. So we have already found out the coefficient of this determinant of this coefficient matrix. This is 1 which is non-zero. So हम अगले स्टेप पे आएंगे, इसका इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट करेगा क्योंकि मैट्रिक्स नॉन सिंगुलर है, और ये सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन कंसिस्टेंट होगा, एंड इट विल हैव यूनिक सोल्यूशन, एंड दैट यूनिक सोल्यूशन विल बी गिवन बाय x इज इक्वल टू a इनवर्स इनटू b. अब हमें सिर्फ अपनी प्रीवियस इंफॉर्मेशन यूज करनी है. हमें a इनवर्स फाइंड करना है. a इनवर्स आप नॉर्मली निकालिए माइनर्स एंड कोफैक्टर्स वाले मेथड की हेल्प से. फाइंड आउट द adjoint, then find out a inverse, and then simply put it in this equation, x is equal to a inverse into b. You will get the value of x, and compare करके in the end you have to write that the required value of x and y is 2 and 1. So that's all for today. We'll meet in our next video. तब तक के लिए stay positive, stay happy and stay blessed.